How to reset your Udemy account's password. First, you want to open the Udemy application, and here you want to simply tap on sign in. After that, it will ask for your email. Simply type in your email over here and tap on continue and tap on login with email. After that, it will send a 6-character code on your mail. You want to simply type it out your code over here. You want to type it out the OTP over here and simply tap on login. After that, you will be logged in into your account, and here you want to simply click cross on this all application, tap on escape, and if you want to reset your password, you want to simply go to your accounts, scroll down and tap on account security, tap on privacy, scroll down, tap on account security. You want to scroll down here, and if you want to reset your password, you want to enter your new password over here, confirm it over here, and click on change password to reset your password. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.